This is why many companies go bankrupt even if they make crores in sales. Remember this: assets up, cash down, asset down, cash up, liability up, cash up, liability down, cash down. Okay, let's say I run a business of calculator and this is my assets because I generate revenue from that asset. Okay, so when I use cash to purchase these assets, my assets go up, cash go down. And if I don't purchase the asset, I have left with the cash only. When we talk about the liability, it means loan from a bank. When we get the loan, we have a cash, means liability up, cash up, and vice versa. If we don't get a loan from a bank, we don't have a cash, so liability down, cash down. Profit is what left over, that is income minus expenses. So cash flow is the real money that goes in and out of the bank. Therefore, it is very possible that company can run out of cash even they are profitable. It can happen if customer takes long time to pay the bills or if company grows frequently, for which they might need all of their cash to buy the stocks and equipment needed. और इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि कंपनी रन आउट ऑफ कैश मीन्स दे कांट पे फॉर रेंट, दे कांट पे फॉर वेजेस एंड दे कांट पे फॉर सप्लाईज एंड दैट लीड्स टू बैंक्रप्सी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हमने कैलकुलेटर की शेयर करी जिसकी टोटल वैल्यू 500 करोड़ है, जिसका पेमेंट हमें कस्टमर से 3 मंथ्स बाद मिलने वाला है, बट वी नीड टू पे द रेंट, सैलरी और सप्लाईज को कुछ पेमेंट जिसका आज का कॉस्ट 100 करोड़ है. So we can still run out of cash even though we make 500 crores of sales. That's why sales itself cannot save the business. It only shows size and growth. Profit shows the performance and cash shows the survival of a business, which is very important. So I end this video with a famous quote which says, profit is the vanity, cash shows the reality.